Hello friends, Radhe Radhe. In this particular video, we are going to learn about the chapter which is very important for your NEET preparation. That is chapter number 16 of your NCERT, excretory products and their elimination. So first of all, let me tell you what is excretory products. So friends, what happens is whenever your cells are doing metabolism, they are going to produce so many metabolic waste. So these waste can be ammonia or urea or uric acid. These are nitrogenous waste which are frequently produced in your cells or your body. Apart from that, there are some ions like Na plus, K plus, and Cl minus, like phosphate ions, etc., are also going to produce inside your cells as a waste. So what cells have to do here? They have to eliminate these waste. They have to throw these waste out of the body, right? And um, that's what the organisms want to perform. Why? Because if they accumulate these waste, it will create so many problems for them. So it is necessary to remove all these waste time to time. So they have some systems or they have some organs to eliminate these waste. In higher organisms, kidney performs such function, and in lower organism there are so many other uh, tubules or some other organs are there to eliminate these kind of waste. First of all, I will tell you the what is removing of ammonia is called. Friends, so many organisms remove ammonia directly, and ammonia is very toxic in nature and also very less water soluble. So it requires more water to eliminate. Almost it requires 500 ml of water. 500 ml of water for to remove only 1 gram of ammonia. See, only 1 gram of ammonia. Organisms need 500 ml of water to remove. So that's why it is performed by only organisms who are living inside the water, right? So these organisms are like bony fishes, some aquatic amphibians, right? These kind of organisms do this kind of excretion called ammonotelism. So the organisms are constantly removing ammonia, are performing ammonotelism, right? So ammonia is directly diffused out of their body through body surfaces or gills. So this is the first type of excretion. Then second type is ureotelism. Ureotelism is the removal of urea from body. So urea is, first of all, ammonia will be converted to urea in the livers of such animals, and then that urea will be transferred to the blood, and then blood will be filtered out by kidneys, and then that nitrogenous waste will be eliminated through the kidney with the help of kidney. So the organisms who are performing this kind of excretion, that is ureotelism. Urea is less toxic, so it requires less water to remove, less water than ammonia to remove. Almost it requires 50 ml of water for 1 gram of urea. And who is going to perform such kind of excretion? The mammals, like you and me, are performing. Then terrestrial amphibians are performing this kind of uh, excretion process. And the third type is, I hope it is visible to you, is the uric acid, or we can say uricotelism. So some organism converts these nitrogen waste into uric acid, right? And they will be remove uric acid, which is a very less toxic than both of them, and it requires almost 5 to 10 ml of water to remove 1 gram of uric acid, or sometimes they doesn't require any water to remove uric acid. So the organisms who are not, who do not have um, the so much amount of water to remove, they perform such kind of excretion, that is birds or snails, land snails, right? Birds and land snails, or let's say reptiles, performs such kind of respiration, sorry, excretion, my bad. So these are the three main types of excretion: ammonotelism, ureotelism, and uricotelism. Okay, I hope it is clear to you now. Then what happens? We have to see some organs which are there for in organisms to uh, remove these waste, right? So invertebrates and vertebrates, let's classify them. Invertebrates have, we have to clean it right and dry it first of all, because it is not a whiteboard, it is my bed plywood, I guess, जो कुछ दिन पहले टूट गया था उसका मैंने व्हाइट बोर्ड बना दिया. एनीवे जहां पर हम कुछ ऑर्गन्स सीखने वाले हैं,